Philip is crazy about sales funnels and digital marketing, but he was tired of the same formats and layouts. Philip wanted something new, revolutionary, fast, and efficient. With the drag-and-drop pixel-perfect website creator from Builderall, Philip has complete creative freedom. He began to build fresh websites with animated images, parallax effects, timers, and more. With over 20 pre-built sales funnels available to him on Builderall, Philip can quickly configure a sales funnel and add one of his offers. With Builderall's super-fast websites on CDN servers, his websites open in a fraction of a second, anywhere in the world, which is extremely important in an industry where speed is everything. Today, Philip has the freedom to create any type of funnel and presentation in a fast and intuitive manner. Since Builderall is completely integrated, he does not need to buy any other tools. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your $1 million idea into a $1 million business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere. And I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.